What's up, everyone? Do you ever wonder if you married the right person? I don't, because she supports my drinking habit. This is my Christmas gift. This is another box from Tavour, along with other beers from the fridge upstairs. And tonight, we're seeing what's going in the mini fridge. My name's Josh, and you're watching Half-Ass Beer Review. That's right, I had a very good Christmas this year. The Whirlpool fridge from my wife just so happened to coincide with a new Tavour delivery. Let's open this fridge, see what it looks like on the inside, see how much beer it can hold. I hope it can hold everything I have. If not, some can go on the porch because it's cold enough out. Sure, why not? Look, I got a white inside, nice light, temperature control knob right here. Bottom shelf, it's not a full bottom shelf. Two middle shelves are full, and you can kind of adjust them. There's how many different spots where you can do it to adjust your height ratios for cans or bottles and things like that. And up top here, it has a section for the freezer. Not sure what I'm going to put in there. Over here, it has some shelves, not shelves, but some slots for like single cans. I have a couple bottles right here from New Holland. The Call and Courage, they're both fruited sours that I can't wait to get into. I think the Call has blueberries, and the Courage has apricots maybe, and just some other stuff. Probably keep some snacks in there, some pickle bologna, maybe, I don't know, pickle bologna. Let's get into the tour box. Like I said, there's some stuff from upstairs in the fridge. I'll tell you what that stuff is. But I'm pretty excited about the stuff that I got from Tavour. A lot of cool stuff. Let's get into it. All right. Let's see what kind of cool beer I got. First beer, Dogfish Head, Palo Santo Maroon, wood-aged brown ale. This is the only way I like brown ales. I think brown ales are kind of boring when they're aged in oak barrels. Gives them a little extra flavor. I like it. Not saying browns are bad. Browns are good. I just think they're boring, and they're all relatively the same. That's why I like these oak age. Saugatuck Brewing, they also have one called Oak Wizard. Very good. Highly recommend it. Just put it in there for right now. I probably should have adjusted the shelves a little better, huh? That's alright, we can figure this out. Alright, next one. Southern Tier Salted Caramel Imperial Ale. 8.6% ABV. Sounds pretty good. Southern Tier makes really good beer. Like the Nitro series that they do. That's very delicious. Let's move on to the next one. Still have to tag on this one. $4.59 for a single. Alright, another one that I already had in the fridge upstairs. Austin Brothers Beer Company, one of the best breweries in Michigan. Cranberry Pomegranate Goza. That sounds good. Roke has a cranberry Goza, I believe. There might be some other fruit in it, but I mean, these Gozas are delicious. And especially Austin Brothers Beer Company, they make really good... Oh, fridge is kicking on. They make really good beer. Can't wait to try this one. That review is coming up soon. Ooh, slot it. Let's see how that shuts. Ooh, fits good. 16-ounce can. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Drecker Brewing Company, Fargo, North Dakota. This is Cherry Raspberry Cobbler Slang du Jour. Sour a la mode. Dude, their can art is wicked. Let me tell you. I can't wait to get into this. You guys know I love fruited sours. Anything fruited, I'm really into. Actually, you know, anything with alcohol, I like. Another one for the slot. Ooh, another one from Drecker Brewing Company, Fargo, North Dakota. This is Multiple Ectogasms. Another awesome can art. This is like death metal on a can. This is a dry hopped double IPA. Very exciting. Can't wait to get this one as well. Hellacious As If. Sour ale with lactose, vanilla, peaches, and Sabro hops. Those seem to be all the craze right now. This is from Forefathers Brewing. Valparaiso, Indiana. Let's slide it. Parish Brewing Company, Ghost in the Machine. This is a sought after can of beer. I got really excited when I saw it on there. Probably should have got more. Just got one. I'm a fool. Yeah, I know. Another one slotted. Now, this is probably the favorite one I got in the box. This is what happens when you find a stranger in the Alps. It's a White Russian milk stout from New Image Brewing. Let's see where New Image is from. Arvada, Colorado, it looks like. Alright, so I'm a huge Big Lebowski fan. I used to watch that movie religiously. It was just part of my life. There is a scene in the movie when the dude and Walter are trying to get information out of a kid that stole the dude's car and crashed it. And in the movie, he's saying some really harsh stuff. This is what happens when you F a stranger in the butt. Okay? Tried to be as clean about it as I could. But when you watch it on TV, they have to censor it out. So they say, this is what happens when you find a stranger in the Alps. Makes absolutely no sense, but I think it just adds to the comedic value of watching the censored version on TNT or whatever it's on. If you haven't watched The Big Lebowski, I highly recommend it. It's one of the best movies ever. Life-changing experience for myself. Also, shout out to the dude 79 from Banter and Babble, because I was told that is why he is the dude 79. Because he loves the dude. I love the dude, and you love the dude. Shout out, dude 79. Hardywood Gingerbread Stout. Imperial Milk Stout with cinnamon, vanilla, ginger, and honey. 9.2% ABV. Where are you from? Richmond, Virginia. Almost feel bad putting that one in the fridge. Dos Duertos Goza from KCBC, Kings County Brewers Collective. They had the Bushwick Zombie that I enjoyed, that fruited sour that I enjoyed from the last bunch. Goza, does it say anything? Ooh, sour ale with mango, chili, and lime, and sea salt, barley, and wheat. 4.5% ABV. Can't wait to try this one. We're getting kind of low here. What do we got? Full Circle Brewing Company, Strawberry Illa, Milkshake IPA, 6.5% ABV. Brewed with strawberries, vanilla, and lactose. Pretty cool can art right here. Skull on an ice cream cone. Waffle cone nonetheless. That's the only way to get ice cream is on a waffle cone. I ran out of slots, so in the fridge it goes. Ooh, another Hellacious. I got two Hellacious As If. I'll put that one. Let's put that one in here too. Shit, why not? I didn't realize I got any doubles in this one. Ooh, and the second one. This goes with the Hardywood Gingerbread. This is Hardywood Christmas Pancakes. Imperial Milk Stout with spices, honey, and maple syrup. 9.2% ABV. Whew. Again, Richmond, Virginia. I'm going to have a lot of room in this fridge after this. 903 Brewers. Pecan Porter Brewers Reserved. Aged in oak barrels. Pecan, coffee, and maple. 12.7% ABV. Big beer. I'm expecting big things out of this. 903 Brewers. I believe they did the Willy Wonka Slushy Factory. I think that was from 903 Brewers. Delicious beer. Hope their porters are just as good. Running out here. Oh, double Dos Duertos Goza. Badass. That's awesome. It's like Toy Story when Sid is at the claw machine and he gets all the prizes. Oh, double prizes! I'm a Toy Story nerd. I'm a Disney nerd, actually. Toy Story is one of the best. Damn. I wish I would have drank this one sooner. 1020 bottle and 10/23/2020. Prairie Artisan Ales Christmas Bomb. Imperial Stout brewed with spices. Nothing about ABV on here, though. Alright. Let's put it in there. I heard such good things about that one. That's got some pretty cool art on it. That's like one of the best Christmas ales you can drink, I think. Or that's word of mouth, at least. I'm sure other people have their own opinions. Leave a comment if you have a different opinion about what your favorite Christmas beer is. Mine might still be Holiday Cheer from Shiner Brewing. What else we got in here? Oh, Fat Daddy, dude. You know what that means? Junkyard Brewing. A little sticky. Marshmallow Blackberry Peach Sour. The last one was, what was it? It had the Pulp Fiction reference. Royale with cheese. How could I forget that, right? Oh, man. I can't wait to get into this one. Oh, man. Can art's cool. It's got a stuffed bear. Looks like it's been eating too much blackberries and peaches. Well, that's it for the Tavor box. Let's see what else I can put in the fridge. Okay. That's Stone Old Guardian 2016. I don't know if I'm going to drink this. It's been aging for 4 years. Barley wine style ale, dry hopped with pico hops. That's going to be an interesting one. I don't know if I'm going to do a review. Might as well. If it's bad, it's bad. At least I documented how bad it was, right? But that's not going in the fridge. Oh, Rogue 2020 Santa's Private Reserve. Peppermint Bark Milk Stout. 8.3% ABV. I've heard terrible things about this. I heard it tastes like toothpaste. I heard it tastes bad. This is going to be one. Guess what? I'm going to screwball it. Screwballed the dip. I screwballed the Big Luscious, and I'm going to keep screwballing some beers. This one might go outside because it's going to take up too much room in the fridge. I can lay it down. Sure, why not? And then, Rochester Mills 12 Days of Milkshake Stout. Now, I've seen people do reviews on this, but no one tells me which one the best one is, right? So I'm not just going to do single tastings of each, single videos of each. I'm going to do a gauntlet. I'm going to do a tournament. We're going to find out which one's the best one in here. 12 Days of Milkshake Stout. What do we got? English Toffee Milkshake Stout, Double Chocolate, Peanut Butter Cup, Chocolate Chip Pancake, Gingerbread Cookie, Michigan Maple, King Cake, Salted Caramel, Imperial, Imperial Java, Imperial Triple Layer Decadent, that's a mouthful, and Red Velvet Ale. They usually have a barrel-aged one in here. I was expecting the barrel age. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. So usually they have the barrel age and they have the original in there. They don't have that this year. I'm going to go ahead and put those cans in here. But that does it for this special edition of Half-Ass Beer Review. I hope you enjoyed my new Christmas present and all the special things I put in it for future reviews. Now, it's time for you to do what you do best. Hit the like button, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Check me out on Facebook, Half-Ass Beer Review. I'm on Instagram, Half-Ass Beer Review, and YouTube at Half-Ass Beer Review. My name's Josh. Have a great night.